Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Coach Michael Burt got some big news today, folks. It's Tuesday, number one. You woke up this morning, number two, which means you should have a good attitude, which is a posture of the body represented by a physical state. Boom. And number three is I got some good announcements to make today about my conference that I have every year, which I'm calling the most tactical conference in America. Okay, so every year I have a conference. Started this probably 3 years ago. I call that conference Monster Nation because my coaching program is called Monster Producer. We believe monster producers, Albert, are legendary creatures that combine multiple skills to dominate a market. Okay, Freddie Blanton. So I named Monster Producer. What's up, Lee Simmons? I named Monster Producer 7 years ago because I said, man, I want to teach people how to be legendary. And a monster is a legendary creature. Right, Lisa? That combines skills to dominate a market. So probably about 5 or 6 years into that, Sandinia, I started going, what would be really cool is to bring all of these cool people together and have a 2-day pilgrimage where they all come from around the world. They come and spend time together. They get to meet each other because they see each other on Zooms. They get great speakers. They are around other like-minded people who want to be legendary. So we had our first conference, and it was incredible. Feedback was incredible. The feeling of it was incredible. The camaraderie was incredible. So I said, okay, I'll do this again. So we did it again last year. Same feedback. Transformational, opened people's eyes. People did business and exchange with each other. People had breakthroughs. And I go, okay, this is good. So we're having our third Monster Nation conference. Johnny Chandler, Eric Tibbs, September 8th and 9th. It's going to be at my lodge. Okay, it's going to be at my lodge in Tennessee. And I'm going to do the same thing. But I'm bringing in very tactical people. Very tactical speakers. Okay, so I've got Rob Luna, who I think is the number one wealth expert in America. He's on Fox Business every single week. He's got a new book coming out called Close Your Wealth Gap. The guy knows, this guy's one of the smartest dudes I've ever met, but tactical. I'm going to have him talk about your magic number, closing the wealth gap. I've got Dave Blanchard, who's been one of my personal coaches, who has helped me with my connection skills, be a better human, intrinsic motivation, intrinsic validation of other people, owns all the rights to Og Mandino's work. I got Dave Blanchard. Number 3, I got Damon West. Damon West was sentenced to 65 years of life in a Texas state prison. He changed the whole environment there. He got out. He wrote a book called How to Be a Coffee Bean, which became a Wall Street Journal bestseller. Okay? And I've got him. This dude was a former college football player. Very tactical people. So the reasons you would want to get a ticket to this: exchange, inspiration, part of a family, do something big. So there's your first 3 speakers, folks. September 8th and 9th, I'll post the link to get your ticket. Let's go. Let's do this. It's going to be incredible. It's going to be incredible.